In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Excel file through OneDrive. If you want to make your spreadsheet easy to access, backup, and share with others, saving it to OneDrive is a simple and reliable way to do it. This method is especially helpful when you need to collaborate or make sure your file is available across different devices. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along on your desktop. First, open Excel using the Excel app on your desktop. Then open the workbook you want to share. Before sending a file to anyone else, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you're working in the correct version of the spreadsheet. That way, you avoid uploading an outdated copy by mistake. Once your file is open, go to the top left corner of the Excel window and click File. This opens the main file menu where you can manage options related to saving, exporting, printing, and sharing your workbook. If you're new to Excel's layout, this is a central place you'll use often for file-related tasks. From there, click Save As and select OneDrive. This step is important because saving your file to OneDrive puts it in Microsoft's cloud storage, which makes sharing much easier than sending file attachments back and forth. If OneDrive is already connected to your Microsoft account, it should appear as one of the available save locations. Next, click the folder where you want the file to be stored. Choosing the right folder helps keep your documents organized, especially if you regularly work with multiple spreadsheets or share files with a team. You can save it in an existing folder if you already have a system in place for organizing your work. After that, click OneDrive in the folder location and then click Save. Once you do this, your Excel file will be stored in OneDrive instead of only on your local computer. That means it's now in a better position to be shared and accessed online when needed. As a quick tip, after saving, you may want to double check that the file has successfully synced to OneDrive before you send it to anyone. This helps ensure the most recent version is available. Keeping your file in OneDrive also makes future updates easier, since changes can be saved directly to the cloud. And that's it. You've now saved your Excel file to OneDrive, which is the key first step to sharing it smoothly and securely.